Hello, Jonathan Rayo here. Welcome to Simplified Guitar. In this lesson, we're going to go over the song Forever by Kari Jobe. In the play-along video of this song, you'll notice that the footage is flipped, and that's on purpose so that you can see my hand from your perspective. If you enjoy this lesson, please consider supporting the channel by becoming a patron. My patrons get a full video breakdown of how to play this song, as well as a visual chord chart for it as well. If you'd like to learn more, you can click up there in the info card to head over to my Patreon page. All right, now let's go ahead and play through the song.
Moon and stars they went, the morning sun is dead. The Savior of the world was fallen. His body on the cross, His blood poured out for us, the weight of every curse upon Him. One final breath He gave as heaven looked away. The Son of God was laid in darkness. The battle in the grave, the war on death was waged. The power of hell forever broken. The ground began to shake. The stone was rolled away. His perfect love could not be overcome. Now death, where is your sting? Our resurrected King has rendered you defeated. The ground began to shake, the stones rolled away. His perfect love could not be overcome. Now death, where is your sting? Our resurrected King has rendered you defeated. Sing hallelujah, we sing